Hello, Chem 121 lab students. My name is Dr. Bob, and I just wanted to make a short video to show you how you go about accessing and completing pre-laboratory assignments. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to log into the Blackboard site. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in right now. So I'm going to put in my username and password, which is clearly dot 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 dot. Then I'm going to go ahead and log in. The next step in the process is that once I log in, I'm going to then find my course tab. Once I select the course tab, I'm going to scroll down until I see my course. Now, obviously, my list is pretty long because I've been doing this for a while. Your list will be significantly shorter. So the lab section that I work with, or one of them anyways, is the EVB lab. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and you would click on your section. And at that point, you're going to come to the main Blackboard screen for the course, which will be your lab section. Again, this is different than the lecture section. So again, I'm looking at 121L-EVB, and what you're going to want to do at this point to access the pre-lab assignment that you want to complete is to click on the pre-lab assignment button if it hasn't already been selected. And then within the pre-lab assignment screen, you should see the current week's pre-lab assignment posted. Now, before you actually do anything, you should certainly read all of the instructions that have important due date information. One key piece of information to note, again, is that all pre-labs are due at 9 o'clock the day before your assigned lab, and you have to submit a pre-lab before you're allowed to complete it. So if you turn it in late, you'll have to either bring a hard copy to the lab to get it with getting a penalty, or you can submit it online late, but again, it will be assigned a penalty. But once you're ready to download the lab, at this point, the easiest thing you can do is to just click on the attached files. So if you want to download the Word doc form, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to click that, and at that point, it gives me an option to save, so I'll save a copy. And then you're ready to go and complete your pre-lab. So for me, I would open up the Word file. You can enable editing, and at that point, if you have Word installed on your computer, you can go ahead and type right into the lab assignment and then do a resave with your name, which can then be uploaded. So we'll just do a quick test here. I'll type in test. I think we should probably put it in different colors so we can easily differentiate it from the original file, but once you answer all of the pre-lab questions, and there's a front and a back to this, we'll then save the document, and I'm going to save this document as Penny Pre-Lab, and let's just call it Joe Student. Hit save, and now we're ready for the last step of the process, which is honestly the most confusing part, and that is to actually turn in or submit your pre-lab assignment. So to do that, you're going to bring your cursor over the actual underlying title of the pre-lab assignment, selecting it. And when you do that, you'll see that you have an opportunity within assignment submission to attach a file. So I'm going to browse my computer, pull open the completed pre-lab that I made from Joe Student, and at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and upload it. So to do that, you hit submit, and at this point, you see that the assignment is complete, and I'm now good to go, and at this point, it's ready for grading. I hope you found this fast webcast useful, and if you have questions, please feel free to email your lab instructor. Thanks so much.